how to turn off duet with your post on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily turn off duet options on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video.
Firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So after click on profile, you can see here three lines on the top right corner. So when you will click on it, here you can see the option of setting and privacy. So after clicking setting and privacy, you can see here privacy option. So click on privacy, and then here is the options of duet. So click on duet. So guys, after this you can see allow duet from. So click on allow duet from. So after this, here you can see only you. So guys, when you will click on only you, so no one can duet with your post. So guys, in this way you can turn off duet with your post on TikTok. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.